Let's talk about the difference between an element, a molecule, and a compound. All three of these are types of pure substances, but an element is only one type of atom, and these are found on the periodic table: gold, magnesium, and copper. So if it appears on a periodic table, it is an element. A molecule, or where we have two or more atoms or elements bonded together. It can be the same type of element, such as O2, N2, Cl2. Or it can be different types of elements, such as with water or sucrose or sugar. However, a compound is a molecule, but is made up of two or more different types of atoms. Where a molecule are the same or different, compounds are only different, such as a water molecule that has oxygen and hydrogen, or carbon dioxide, which has carbon and oxygen. Both of these are molecules, but they're also compounds. So to compare, elements are only one type of atom and they appear on the periodic table. Where molecules are two or more atoms. Notice I did not say two different atoms, but at least two atoms bonded together, and they can be the same type. Whereas a compound just simply distinguishes from a molecule in the fact that they are two or more different types of elements.